Hello students, welcome back to Smart Math exercises. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more videos and subscribing ensures you will get notified whenever we upload new content. Let's get started. In the previous video, we have solved second main of exercise 6.2 using long division method. Click the link displayed above to watch it. In this video, we will be solving the same exercise using short division method. Second main, express the following percentages as decimals. First question, 27%. First question, 27%. Now we can express the percentage as decimal by dividing the percentage with 100. That is 27 divided by 100. You can solve this by short division method. You can write the numerator towards the right, 27, and observe there are two zeros in the denominator. So you have to write a decimal point after two numbers, that is 1, 2, and then write a 0. So 0.27 is the answer. Next question. 8%. 8%. So 8 divided by 100. So write the numerator at the right side and then see there are two zeros here. So write 1. There is no other number here. Add 1 0. Then after two numbers there is decimal point and then 0. So answer is 0.08. Next question is C, 30%. C, 30%. 30 divided by 100. So write 30 in the right hand side. Then there are two zeros here. So 1, 2, add a decimal point, add a 0. So answer is 0.30. Next question, D, 69.5%. D, 69.5%. Here, this is already in decimal. First, we have to convert this into fraction. So write 695 and below write 1, and there is one number before decimal point. So write only 1 0 into 1 by 100. So multiply 695 into 1, 695 by 10 into 100 is 1000. Now convert this fraction into decimal. Write 695 towards the right hand side and see there are three zeros here. So 1, 2, 3, put a point, add a 0. Answer is 0.695. Next question is E, 3.68%. E, 3.68%. So first write the decimal number into fraction. 3.68 becomes 368 by 1. There are two numbers after decimal point, so add two zeros into 1 by 100 equals to 368 ones are 368. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Now write 368 in the right hand side, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. There is no number here, so add 0 here, then decimal point and then 0. So 0.0368 is the answer. Next question, F, 0.028%. 0.028%. First, convert this decimal number into fraction. We have zeros here, so only write 28. 28 by how many numbers after decimal point? 3. 1, 2, 3. So add 3 zeros into 1 by 100. Multiply 28 ones are 28 by 1000 into 100. 1 lakh. Write 28 as it is towards the right hand side and then count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, we don't have any numbers here, so keep adding zeros. 3, 4, 5 and then add a decimal point and then 0. So answer is 0.00028. Next question is G, 9.6%. G, 9.6%. Convert this decimal to fraction first. So it becomes 96 by, there is one digit after decimal point, so 10 into 1 by 100. 96 ones are 96 by 10 hundreds are 1000. Write 96 as it is towards the right hand side and then count number of zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There is no number here, so add 0.0. So 0.096 is the answer. Next question, H, 124%. H, 124%. So 124 divided by 100. Here write 124 towards the right hand side and count the number of zeros. 2, 1, 2. So 1.24 is the answer. Next question, I, 25%. I, 25%. So 25 by 100. Write 25 as it is. And there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So after 2 digits, write the decimal point and then 0. Next question, J, 3.75%. J, 3.75%. First, convert this number, decimal number, to fraction. So it becomes 375 by, there are 2 digits after decimal point, so 2 zeros into 1 by 100. So 375 ones are 375 by 100 into 100 is 10,000. Write 375 in the right hand side, 375, and then count number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There is no number here, so add 0. Add a decimal point and then 0. So answer is 0.0375. Next question, 0.8%. K, 0.8%. This number is a decimal number. So write 8 above and there is one number after the decimal point. So write 0 into 1 by 100. 8 ones are 8, 10 hundreds are 1000. Write 8 at the right hand side. Count the number of zeros below. 1, 2, 3, 1. There are no numbers here, so add zeros. 2, 3, decimal point and 0. Answer is 0.008. Next question, L, 20.05%. L, 20.05%. Convert this decimal number into fraction. Write 20.05 by, there are 2 numbers after decimal point, so 2 zeros into 1 by 100. So this becomes 2005 into 1s are 2005 by 100 into 100 is 10,000. Keep 2005 as it is. Count the number of zeros below. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So add a decimal point and 0. Answer is 0.2005. Next question, M 10%. M 10%. So you can directly write 10 by 100. So answer is, write this 10 here. There are 2 zeros. So 1, 2, 0.10. Next question, 118%. N 118%. So write 118 by 100. Write 118 as it is. There are 2 zeros. So 1, 2. Answer is 1.18. Next question is 76%. O 76%. So 76 by 100. Write 76 as it is. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. So 1, 2, 0.76 is the answer.